Hi, in this video, I'm going to review exercise for histogram and cumulative frequency diagram. So take a look number 1. So you may see, so this is the histogram. So the finishing time is T in the minute for 100 runners. Okay, so use the graph to copy and complete the frequency table. So first, we know the class width. So here is 125 to 40. Here's class width. It's gonna be 15. Next, for 140 to 160 is 20. And then we got 160 to 170 is 10. Then 170 to 190 is 25. Continue 100. Here 195 to 235. Yeah, we got 40 as the class width, and here is from 235 to 285. Here is 50. So we got all the class width. Here they provided to us is the frequency density. So this is the frequency density. Here is frequency. Let's rewrite it. Frequency density. Okay. So the first from 125 to 150. So it's 0.2, 0.4. Okay, here is 0.4. Okay, next, here is 0.8, 160 to 170 is 3.8. Next, we got 195 to, 170, here 170 to 195, which is here is 1.4. After 1.4, we got here is 0.2, and last is 0.1. So to find it, the frequency density is the frequency we divide with the class width. Now, if we would like to find the frequency, so we make it frequency density, we multiply it with the class width. Okay, we can see from here 15 we multiply it with 0.4, so the frequency is 6. Next, 20 multiplied by 0.8, it's gonna be 16. 10 we multiply it with 38. Not 3.8, here is 2.8. So let's, here is, need to be 2.8. So 10 we multiply by 2.8 is 28. Next, 25 to 1.4. 25 we multiplied what? With 1.4. So here is 335. 40 we multiplied by 0.2 is 8, and the last 50 multiplied by 0.1, which is 5. Okay, next question. What is the slowest and then the fastest possibility time in which a runner could have finished it in the marathon? So this is the time. So the slowest, here the slowest is, if this is what is the slowest could have finished it in the marathon. So it's the class width. Yeah, here 285, the slowest. So the slowest is 285 minutes, while the fastest is here 125 minutes. Okay, see, approximately how many runners completed the race time between 150, okay, here 150 to 180. So to 180. So 50, 60, 70, okay, here is 180. So first, from 150, here we got 140 to 160 is 16, so we make it a half, so this is 8, the first, so 8 plus, and then here from 60 to 170 is 28. Okay, and look at it, we got 1, 2 and a half part, so let's make it 2 over 5, or here is 35, so is 7, so 14, so we can make it 8 plus 28 plus by 14, so here is the approximately is 50 runners. Yeah, 50 runners. Okay, we can go to number 2. So recorded the maximum time t in second that each of her classmates could hold their breath. Okay, using class interval. Okay, this the class interval, so let us write it to the table. So here is time t, here in second. Okay, the first interval here in second. Okay, in second. So we got first class interval is 1 until 21. Next is 21 to 31. Next is 31 to 41. And this is the last. 41 to 46. Okay, let's count it. How many frequency for 1 till 21? So here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so this frequency 9. Now it's from 21 to 31. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we got 9. And here is 10. So we got 10 as the frequency. Now it's 31 to 41. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. And the last 41 to 46. We got 1, 2, only 2. Okay, let's count how many are there. 1, 2, 3. So 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it need to be 30. However, addition is not 30. Okay, so let's recount again. So let's check it from 1 to 21. 1 to 21. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, it's correct. 9. Now it's 21 to 31. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, still 10. 31 to 41. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here is the last note 3. We got 1, 2, and 3. Not 2, I mean, so this is 3. Okay, we got it, the frequency density and on the frequency only. Next, we find the class width. So here is we got 10, not 10, 20. 21 to 31 is 10, here also 10, the last is 5. Next, the frequency density. So frequency density is frequency we divided by we divided by the class width. So first we got 9, we divide by 20. So here is 0.45. Next we got 10 divided by 10, so equal to 1. So 8 divided by 10, 0.8. So we got 3 divided by 5, so it's gonna be 0.6. Okay, we got it. Using the graph, draw the group. Okay, so let's draw it. Use a ruler, not record, sorry. Use a ruler. Here is the ruler. Starting 1 to 46. Let us count it in 5. So it's 5, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Okay. So 1, 5, 10. We count it. Okay, we got from here maximum at most is 1. So can we count it here? 0.2, 4, 5, 4, 6, 8. Okay, we can count it from here. Here is 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, 1, and point something. Okay, so we got the number. So is the time. So starting with 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and 45. 46. Oh, let's count it in 5. However, starting from 6. So here is 6, then 11, then 16, 21, 26, 31, 36, 41, and 46. I will move it up. Okay. So here is the time in T. So starting here 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, and 1. Here is the frequency density. Okay, we can start. 1 to 21. So from here until 21 is 0.45 until 21. So yeah, until 21. First, and then the second from 21 to 31 is the frequency density equal to 1. So here is equal to 1. Next, 31 to 41. Frequency density is 0.8. Here is 0.8. From 30 to 41. And the last, we got 41 to 46. 0.6. So here is 0.6 to 46. Okay, we got it, A. Next for the B. B, what is the modal? Okay, the modal is the most, which is 21 to, starting from 21 to 31. Okay, and here is the histogram. They asked to draw, but yeah, we drew it. Okay, 3, 4, and 5. I will continue for the next part. Thank you.